Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this New Year's Eve macaron cake. To begin, I ice and stack 3 layers of cake. Now the cake is ready to be crumb coated. This will seal in all crumbs before we put on the final layer of buttercream. With black buttercream in a pastry bag fitted with a round open tip, I pipe the buttercream all around the cake, trying to be as even as possible. With a spatula and a bench scraper, I can now smooth down the sides of the cake. After chilling the cake in the freezer, I can transfer it to its cake stand using paper towel to not get fingerprints on the buttercream. I am now ready to pipe out my macarons. Once baked, I filled them with buttercream in a pastry bag fitted with a star tip. I take leftover half macarons and place them around the base of the cake. For the full macarons, I place some edible gold leaf on top, adding a little bit of water to help them stick. I am now ready to create my cake topper. I apply more gold leaf to the top edge of the cake. The gold leaf will stick to the buttercream naturally, so there's no need to wet it down. I pipe buttercream rosettes to stick on the macarons. And now, the cake is finished. Wishing everyone a wonderful 2019.